So this is July 14th, 2026. It's Tuesday. And this video is gonna be about overtrading. So I did overtrade today. There's a lot of, psychological battles I went through today as far as the markets goes. I would say I had a bias. So really wanted to see us sell short, especially from a daily perspective. We are ranging though. I would admit we are ranging, but I seen this closure below daily this daily fair value gap, and I anticipated us to go lower. So during Asian session, we did take out previous day's low, and as you can see, we're trading higher, but still was expecting lower prices today. So I came in, and I talked about this in a prior video, one of my prior videos, not trading not over trading and leaning too far into your bias, especially if there's no signs of it really playing out. So I try to trade all of this consolidation area. I took about 7 trades. You're gonna see in my community group, and I'll show you in the video too. But I took a lot of trades during the session, and it was ill advised, and I could have just been more patient, and allowing the market to come to me, or just not trade at all. So during Asian session, I did want us to go long, and I wanted to trade into this same daily fair value gap here, just low. I did not expect us to trade any higher than that. That was just my anticipation for Asian session. So we did get that, but I was stopped out. I believe maybe right around here. I was stopped out, but all in all, though, I was anticipating higher prices until this fair value gap. As you can see, we're trading higher, but this video is mainly about over trading and not giving up your profits. So I had a good day yesterday. I only took 1 trade. All of my best days, I'm only taking 1 or 2 trades, maybe 3 trades at most. But honestly, one. I'm usually like a one and done on a really good day. On my best days, I'll say. So, and my worst days, I'm usually taking anywhere upward from 4, 5, 6, 7 trades in one day, and that's not a recipe for success. More trades does not equal more profits. The quality of the idea and quality of setup outweighs everything. So I also want to show why I also I would see us go shorter. Let me have a view. So we had this 4 hour fair value gap on ES, and you can see beginning Asian session we're respecting it. So that also played a factor in my thinking, because I seen us going lower, but you can see 8 o'clock candle, we start trading higher, and this was the 8:30 news driver. So it's going 30 minutes. So this was 8:30 news driver. We saw higher prices, but all in all, honestly, I'm still bearish for this week. I would like to see potentially this low get taken, but if not, if we remain trading if we end up trading above this new week opening gap, then I would want to see these highs taken. But that's all predicated on what the market does the rest of the day, and I'll just have to wait and see to see if anything lines up with my bias. But I definitely would want so I would definitely would want to see price start trading below this fair value gap, especially from a higher time frame perspective. You see on the higher time frame we had a 4 hour closure, so right now we're leaning more towards higher prices. So these highs could potentially be a target. Sorry, it was yawning. These highs could potentially be a target if we stay above this daily fair value gap. we'll just have to wait and see how the afternoon plays out and how we trade going into tomorrow. But really just not over trading and FOMO too. There was a bit of FOMO when I was taking these trades because I'm like, oh man, I don't want to miss, a run going lower. But it's only Tuesday and it's fine. I'm really making this video because, just to kind of get it out of my system and not just, shut down, just face reality and what's really going on. So, that's all for today. I will show my executions because even I had wanted to go on this fair value gap. I wanted to go long, but then started trading low again. So I ended up just closing. I'm like, you know what? That's a wrap. I could have taken my position at the daily, at the top of the daily fair value gap. That would have been a much better entry. I feel like using the daily levels are way better than using like the intraday levels, like on a 5 minute, 1 minute. But only they need to correlate, of course. You want them to correlate, and market conditions matter. So I won't say all the time, but I believe majority of the time, you definitely want to trade using the higher time frame levels for sure. So I'm gonna show my executions, just being real transparent. This was the long I took during Asian session. Like I said, I wasn't anticipating it to go as high as it is now. I just wanted to see this floatage fair value gap tap. And you see we got that start of pre-market for London session. And then these are all the trades I took. Usually, like I said, I come in at 7. These are the executions. I'll turn this off. So we didn't even take out these lows. Yeah, we didn't take out any of London's lows. So we having this run up right now, so it's all good. So until next time.